In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to connect .NET MAUI application to a SQLite database using dotConnect for SQLite. You can choose between the free trial and the full version. The free trial lasts for 30 days and lets you explore all the available features. It cannot be used for commercial projects and does not require a license key. To start the trial, simply download the installer from the Devart website and install it on your machine. If you purchase the full version, your activation key will be available on the Devart customer portal. To get started, you need to create new .NET MAUI application project in Visual Studio. Once the project is set up, you will install the necessary components to enable SQLite connectivity. Right-click on the Solution Explorer, select the NuGet Package Manager, and manage NuGet packages for solutions. Search Devart Data SQLite and click Install. Your project is ready to work. In our case, we'll configure the project by replacing the default code with a pre-written script that checks the connection to your SQLite database. The video's description includes an example of this code. In this script, we'll set up the SQLite connection string, which includes data source and license key. dotConnect for SQLite perfectly works with SQLite encryption extension. Additionally, you can protect your data with many encryption algorithms. For more detailed information, please refer to the link in the description. After setting up the connection, we will run the application to ensure everything works correctly. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable content from Devart.